One bright sun up in the sky, Bella waves and says hi, hi. Two fluffy clouds are floating by, soft and puffy in the sky. Three bright butterflies take flight, fluttering wings in morning light. Four red ladybugs march along, tiny feet and hum a song. Five chirping birds sing a tune, tweeting high beneath the moon. Six balls bounce across the ground, Bella laughs at the joyful sound. Seven stars in the night so deep, sparkle bright before we sleep. Eight clear bubbles float so high, up they go into the sky. Nine red melons in a line, Bella picks them, 1 through 9. 10 big hops from here to there, Bella hops with joyful